So good evening. If you would do me a favor and tell me your name and the college degree that you, graduate degree that you obtained.
I'm Sai Camsarapalli, and the degree that I came here for was Master's in Technology with major focus in industrial engineering and a little bit of statistics involved with it.
Okay. So how did you come to the decision on what degree you wanted to go for, what degree you wanted to pursue, Sai?
That's an interesting question because when I came from India, and then I have my bachelor's in electronics and communications. So when I moved over here to the US, I had, it's like an electrical and electronics engineering type of a course. However, it's like I met with Professor Mappa, and he said, it's like with my background in Zigbee technologies and communication space, and he had like RFID equipment that he had with him. So it was like, okay, maybe I can use what you have learned in Zigbee, which is a communication tool. Wow. And RFID is like a step above, right? So I mean, Zigbee did not really take off, but RFID was really being used like in real-time application. So he was really interested in seeing, it's like how I can help him take RFID applications to the next level. And that's when, it's like he said, it's like maybe, it's like with the kind of skill set that you have, with he being my advisor, he advised me, it's like these are the courses that he wanted me to like take, and he actually guided me through the course program, and he said, so this will definitely help you build your career. It took me some time, so I still went with electronics and with the engineering, electrical engineering program first. However, it's like after consideration, after seeing the kind of map that Professor put for me, I did not hesitate. I took the plunge, and here I am, IET graduate, Master's in Technology.
Wow. So what was it like while you were pursuing your graduate degree, working here at Purdue and pursuing that degree?
So again, as an international student, I had my own challenges. One was the cultural challenge. So it took me like about 2 to 3 months to like get accustomed to, it's like language barrier, and it's like Indians talk too fast, too many words compressed in. So that was one of my biggest challenges. So I had to like, it's like understand, speak slower. And the other one was, it's like understanding the accent. So that was like my first 3 months of my life here. After I got that one taken care of, it's like it was more around, okay, so how do I plan my career? It's like it's always about the future. So that's where, it's like Professor Mappa's guidance actually helped me, it's like with planning that better. Again, it's like the future was uncertain. So when I was here, the economy was kind of like, it was in an unsteady state. So it's like there was no guarantee of what your future was going to look like. So it was a little challenging. So the kind of courses that I had to take had to like, had to match what the industry was actually looking for at that time, which was key. And with me, it's like with only a theoretical background with no actual industry experience, the guidance of the professors, it's like kind of like understanding how the markets were and what the markets are actually looking for, and actually building my course according to what the markets are looking for was the key. So it was definitely, it was not easy, but it's like with the right guidance, it definitely takes you the right way.
Okay, so when you obtained your degree, and with your current career, how did your degree prepare you for your career?
So the degree, the courses that I took was specifically around Lean, Six Sigma. I had a little bit of statistics. I took a little bit of supply chain, had some project management, and then again the core courses, which is advanced statistics, the research and development, research analysis, and also IT 508. I remember the course more around, it's like the basic quality principles, total quality management. So those actually lay the foundation over here for what I'm doing, what I've been doing for the last 6 years in the industry, and what I'll be doing for the next foreseeable future. So that the course that was actually that I chose in check with guidance from my professor and my advisor helped me check build the right skill set to check to whatever I actually ended up doing. So, for example, the internship that I actually had when I was when I was still in college was around lean manufacturing. It's like I've worked at Slack and Mantle locally, and I really got a real-time experience. It's like staying in the meat department, collecting data, gathering that data, and again, it's like a professor is like guiding us through this entire process. Again, it's like working in a bakery department, optimizing their processes. Trust me, we actually shifted cameras just so we can actually get data from all of these stores. It was interesting to see. It's like Purdue University collaborate with it's like the local organizations over here to help build them in. Again, it's like it's definitely the companies are getting things out of it, but I'm getting a lot out of it. So personally, it did have a real impact on my career, and that actually helped me land my first job as a quality engineer. And there was no looking back after that. So I moved from a quality engineer to a lead investigator at Bristol Myers and AstraZeneca. And now I'm an operational excellence specialist. So my role now is like really working on, it's like business intelligence, business analytics, it's like fine-tuning changes as soon as you notice something, it's like leading and lagging indicators. All of those are concepts that I actually learned over here, and it's like it's gone, and
Wow.
it's helping me even today. The other thing that I should actually mention is regarding the certifications that it's like the university recommends. In addition to it's like building your skill set over here. It's like the university recommended me to like work with the professional organizations, registering with the professional organizations, networking with them. So that also was another piece that actually helped build. It's like the soft skill set. It's like technical skills are good, but it's like it's the soft skills that the businesses are really looking for. So that was one of the other key pieces that helped me learn, that I learned over here, that's helping me now.
Great. That's a good story. Thank you.
Yes.